Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation 6 times x squared plus 12 times x plus 6. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to find the solutions for this quadratic equation. Let's get started. To begin solving the quadratic expression 6x squared plus 12x plus 6. In step 1 we factor out the greatest common factor from all the terms. Notice that 6 is a common factor of the terms 6x squared, 12x, and 6. By factoring out 6, we rewrite the expression as 6 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. This step simplifies the original quadratic expression and makes it easier to work with in subsequent steps. In step 2, we take the simplified quadratic expression 6 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1, and look for a way to further simplify it. First, observe if the quadratic term inside can be factored further. Notice that x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be recognized as a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial results from squaring a binomial. Here, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equivalent to x plus 1 times x plus 1. This can be rewritten as x plus 1 squared. Therefore, replacing the trinomial inside the simplified expression, we get 6 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. This new form reveals that the quadratic expression 6x squared plus 12x plus 6 can be completely factored into 6 times the square of x plus 1. Since there are no further factorization steps needed, this is the final step of simplification. The quadratic expression is now expressed in its simplest perfect square form. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.